Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. Everybody, so now I will check this one first. Everyone, this is a monster truck, nice color, mini monster truck. About this one, police car. Everybody, this is a police car, nice color. The next one, yellow super motorbike. Yellow super motorbike. Cute super motorbike. Supercar, orange color. This one can float on water. Hero Spider-Man, red Spider-Man. Can you see this one? Hero Spider-Man, my favorite hero when I was a child. About this one, super motorbike. But this is super motorbike, they are 4 wheels. Everybody, this is a cute car. You can see a cute car here. Now check the next one. About this one, mini airplane, a gray airplane. So now let's move to another bigger truck. Now you can see some parts of any cars here. Now I bring the first one, a bad hero, Batman. You can see a Batman. The next one, mini airplane. You can see a mini airplane, yellow color. Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language. Mobil Tanki, you can see. Mobil Tanki with cute colors. Now check the next one. About this one, I don't know its name in English. This one we use to press soil. The next one, everybody, this is a cute bus, green bus. This one is a kind of express bus. You can see a city bus, green color. How about this one, garbage truck. The next, a transport truck. This one we can use to transport any cars to anywhere. The next one, everybody, this is a green supercar. You can see the green supercar. So now everybody, let's move forward. So we can see another interesting truck. Yeah, this one. Now I start checking, but firstly I have to put some water. Shake it strongly. This one is an airplane. A cute airplane, everybody, a cute airplane. Very nice. Now check the next. About this one, everybody. Black Iron Man. Black Iron Man. About this one, bulldozer. This one is a bulldozer. You can see a bulldozer, a nice bulldozer. Mini monster truck. This one is a mini monster truck with a sticker of hero Thor. You can see. Now check another one. Cute colors. Cute colors. Excavator. A cute excavator with different cute colors. You can see. Very nice. Very interesting. Now check the next. Police car. Police car with white color. How about this one? Mobil Tanki. Mobil Tanki is Indonesian language, but English is a tank truck with number 6. Everyone, this is the last one. A nice car with number 7 or Pro 7 racing car. Everybody racing car with number 7. Everyone, if you like my video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click the subscribe button. So now, thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Thank you for watching.